At home with Power BI, I'm Zahir Brahman from Sigma BI. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the DAX function all. I'm going to show you how it works within the table and how it ignores all the filters that are included in that table. It's a good feature to have, and it's a good function to use as well if you know how to use it. I'm going to give you a couple of examples as well, how it works, and if you remove it, how it affects the table. So let's go and have a look. Come join me, let's go. So in this video, I'm just going to show you the importance of the all function and how it removes all the filters that's in the table. I'm just going to give you a couple of examples here just to show you how it works and how effective it can be. Right, so what I'm first going to do is create a matrix in the category. Put it on the rows. Just increase the size here so you can see. Great, so that way you can see. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the total sales in. So the total products. Okay, that's great. So what we're going to do, just to show you what I mean by the all function. So you see we've just put in a measure there where it says, okay, the total number of products, and then we've got on the rows accessories, bikes, clothing, and components. So it basically it's filtering the total number of products into those categories. Right? So what the all function will do was when we put it in, it won't take any notice of what's in this row in the category sections. It'll say, right, okay, forget about the accessories, bikes, and clothing components. We're just gonna forget that even exists and just put the number that we require in there that we put in the measure. Okay, so here goes. Let's just show you that in practice. So what we're going to do is just create a new measure, and just going to put the hash sign, and we're going to say total all products. Okay, so we're going to do the count rows, and then we're going to put the all function, and I'm going to put the products. Close it down. Put that into the products table, and then we're going to put that in. Okay, so see how the result are all the same, so it's the same number throughout, because what it's basically saying is it's getting all the filters in there and it's just giving us that result. Okay, so what I'm just going to quickly show you is I'm going to remove that all function out of the measure that we just created and see what results it gives us. So let's do that. Okay, let's just put that in, and that's the result. So because we've taken that out, it's then recognizing that there's a filter in the table and is filtering those count rows for those categories. Then put the all function back in there, just so you can see. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to try it on another table now, just see if we can do it via the financial in financial terms, so total sales. So what we're going to do is copy and paste that one. Okay. What we're going to do is going to take out these and we're going to put the for the regions. Okay, so it's territories. Okay, let's take categories out. The region. I'm going to put the total sales. Bear with me, there's a few total sales in here. Just think it's the sales. Okay, should be it. Okay, so we just put the total sales in there. So now what we're going to do is create another measure that's going to say forget that it's Australia and Canada all in the rows and just give me the total for all the sales. So I'm going to go to the new measure. And this time we're going to use a calculate function. Use a calculate total sales. All function. And then we're going to say territories. Enter that. Let's put that in the table now, the matrix. And as you can see, it's not taking into account what the filters that are on the rows in the matrix. If I just quickly change that to the currency. So you can see clearly what's going on. Again, if I just take out the all function there, just to show you, it gives us the same as the total sales. So that's the importance of the all function and what it can do. So when I'm talking about all the filters, so what I'm going to do is we're going to put a slicer out here just to see if it works with a slicer as well. So put the slicer, oh, it's not going, let's put that back in there. Let's put a slicer out there. And then what we're going to do is put color. So we're going to say, right, okay, I want to see what the blue color was for the category and the regions as well. So as you can see, it has changed the total number of products, but it's not changed the all product measure. And as well, the total sales is calculated all of the sales of the black color in all the regions, and the total all global sales is calculating all of the black sales in all the countries. Let's check another one for grey. There's nothing for grey, but let's say for blue. So as you can see, brings it all up as well. And that's how the all function works. Thanks for watching, guys. At home with Power BI with me, Zahir Brayman. Like and subscribe now to get all the latest information on the new videos.